this Saregama Carvaan. It has got Bluetooth inside. It has got USB feature, FM radio, rechargeable battery. Then okay, let me unbox this one. So friends, let's get started. Okay, we just okay. So we just took out from here, and this is how it looks. Okay, I'll just here we have got radio. We have this user manual. This is in English as well as in Hindi. User manual. Then we have got this USB port here. We have got this plug. We have got one remote here. This remote, we can use it to play off and on, and a battery. Just open the remote for you. Now we have this Carvaan. So friends, here we can see we have here this cute little mini portable USB player as well as radio. It has got a lot of collection inside. It says it has artists. It has got so as you can see here, it has got a collection of different artists, moods and Geetmala, and forward and backward button. On the right hand side we can see here it's volume and for head volume increasing and decreasing, and a headphone plug. And on the top, as we can see, we have something which is called button here. This is for the charging of the battery. And on the other side we can see here start button for you, a Saregama, USB, FM, Bluetooth. Okay, and so friends, let's get started. So I've put on the button and I want to listen to Saregama. Okay, Kishore Kumar. If I want to listen to artists, if I'll just move this one, it'll go to another artist. If I'll just so as I'll put here, change it from this roll, as well as you can change it from this one. Want to listen to the moods.
बहनों और भाइयों, गीतमाला की छाव में के इस वॉल्यूम पे आपको सुनवाने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, जैसे 1975 के हिट और छाव के गीतों का दूसरा हिस्सा.
So you can see it's nice for yourself as well as it's a good gifting option. So friends, you can see this is very cute, and it's small. It can fit into any corner of your house, as well as it is a good option that you can put it on your study table, just to refresh your mind sometimes you want. And also let us put together now all these things which are coming with it. So this wire, and then the small remote and its user manual. You can see here on the side of the box the name of the artists whose songs are included, like Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, R.D. Burman, and different moods of the songs are there, like romantic song, sad song, and also the Geet Mala which is included is from Amin Sayani. MRP is 5,990 rupees.